This is actually a 670. The new machine now is the 680, which is pretty much the same, only has Wi-Fi and a few extra functions. So when the polystyrene is taken off the machine, when it comes out of the box, it's pretty much in this situation, apart from there's a few white straps to hold the carriage into place, and there's also a big lump of polystyrene around the needle position. There's a small piece, it's like a key, and that goes in from this side. If you pull that out, the polystyrene will then come away more easily. You need to be careful with that, not to disturb particularly the needle threader up in the back of the machine. So that's removed very gently and the straps are taken off. The stand is folded down, which is pretty straightforward to you will find a screwdriver in the accessory box, the white box. It's just 2 screws to stand it up. That screw goes in the other side just to make it more secure. And then these arms, there's 2 screws there, but these arms need to be level, need to be flat before you do the screw up at the back. One there and one there. In addition to that, we're going to loosen the thumb screw there. There's one on the bottom normally as well, and swing the screen round, get that into a comfortable position. It's adjustable that way and that way for you to work with in front of the machine. We just need to open out the thread stand at the back. Again, a thumb screw in the middle, and we're opening those out right out and doing the thumb screw back up. These thumb screws do need to be quite tight because the vibration in the machine can loosen them. And really now we're ready to plug in. So just a quick check around, make sure all of the blue straps are off, and if they are, we can turn the machine on. Takes a couple of seconds just to load up. It tells you about the lubrication. It tells you about the lubrication every time you turn it on, but really to lubricate it once a week is normally enough. And then it's got the home screen. On initial startup, it will ask you to set the time and the date and things like that, which is all great, really straightforward. Just put the date in, press OK, and then you'll come to this screen, the home screen, with the setup or the startup mode. So it's saying that the machine's going to move, so keep your hands clear, and when we press this button, the carriage will reset and the needle position will reset. So that's the machine all set, ready to go, and we can now kind of move on to the threading and setting up the hoop, etc., which we'll do in the next video.